Hi, my Dilulus. I am your Sululu. Your Sululu is again back with you. Okay, I know I have not been posting for some 6 to 8 days, not religiously or not consistently, because many things were going on in my life where I was not in a state of mind to shoot. Matlab, with me, it is like if I'm not in that state of mind, I won't be doing it. Matlab, for me, my mental health and my peace matters the most. So many things were going on in my life simultaneously, because of which I was not able to shoot, because of which I was not in a mood to shoot. मतलब मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था. There was a lot of things in different dimensions or phases in my life जो हो रहा था, and I cannot force myself on anything. Though I know कि अगर कुछ अपन ने start किया है, we have to do it consistently and everything. But also I believe is if we are doing something, we have to be so loyal and so true to it that if I'm not in a state of mind to shoot, how can I force myself to shoot? Because that will be injustice to myself, because I'm not willing to do it. But blah 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 blah. Now I'm back with you, and I'll try to be very 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 consistent with you. And अगर consistent नहीं हो पाई तो थोड़े दिन बाद वीडियो डालूंगी, थोड़े दिन बाद देख लेना. ऐसा है. No, I'll try to be very consistent. Now today's topic is I have promised you to do a story time with you. Story time can be about anything which I feel I want to share to you. I have to hear views about you. आपकी तरफ से मैं सुनूँ आपका input, मेरी तरफ से मैं अपना input दूँ. That is how it goes. I have tried to be, I have tried to show you my sense of humor. I have tried to be funny to you. I've tried to show you the fun side of me. But sometimes there are topics which genuinely need care and concern about. तो उन पे भी story time कर सकते हैं. Hence, today's topic is, are goodbyes good or not? Moving out of something is good or not, and when to decide you have to let it go, and when to decide you have to be there. So, this topic came to me because recently a very close friend of mine is going through a very terrible, terrible breakup in her life. And I have known the entire story, and I have known the entire person and two people involved. And then it came to me, let's share, because sometimes for people it is very hard to come out of something which we think, अरे अरे ये तो दुखी हो उस रिलेशन में, get out of it. No, it's not always that easy to come out of something. It is tough. It is tough to deal with your emotions. It is tough. मैं ये मेरा ब्लश ज़्यादा हो गया है, मैं इससे ही बाहर नहीं निकल पा रही हूँ, बाकियों को क्या ज्ञान दूँ. इट्स ओके. नहीं, ये तो पिंपल है, ये तो पिंपल है, ये ब्लश ज़्यादा हो गया. इट्स ओके. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डू मेकअप. आई एम नॉट अ गुड मेकअप, मतलब आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डू मेकअप. और आधे समय मैं अपनी सिस्टर से बेग करती रहती हूँ, भीख मांगती रहती हूँ, मेरे को मेकअप कर दो, मेरे बाल स्ट्रेट कर दो. और फिर मेरी और उसकी बनती नहीं है जब, तो फिर मैं वो भी नहीं बोल पाती हूँ, तो फिर मैं जैसी भी हूँ आ जाती हूँ. एंड दैट्स ओके. एंड डोंट गो ऑन दिस थिंग, this thing. These are not my permanent birth spots. These actually, I got burned from wax. There is a parlor in front of my house. I went there for waxing, and मैं नाम नहीं लूँगी अब, क्या ही किसी का, छोड़ो. इधर देखो. See, uh, sometimes people are stuck in a loop, be it a relationship, be it a friendship, be it anything. I'm corely talking about relationship because I'm 23. I've seen a life through a perspective where I can actually put this out. um Goodbyes are good or not depend upon the situation, depend upon the person to person, depend upon what you are going through and what you are not going through, and depend upon everything, I should say. पर when to decide let go, मतलब कब it is confirmed that you have to let it go. Now that I have to put it to you, because I think I am wise enough to tell that to you. If I was not wise enough to tell that to you, I wouldn't have told that to you. When it is hurting you so deep down, so deep down, so deep down, that you have stopped feeling your own self, that you don't know who you are, that you don't know what is your existence, then that you question the purpose of your life, that it is hurting you so deep in your heart that living and non living, matlab जीना और ना जीना, is same to you, then probably it's the highest time that you should get out of anything you have been struggling into. Goodbyes are good. given that you are saying that goodbye after thinking about it, not just in a haste or this or that or click में नहीं अभी ये वो अभी वो. No, no, no. This conversation is with people who are wise enough to understand what love is, who are wise enough to understand what relationships are, who are wise enough to understand what breakdowns are, who are wise enough to understand what mental health issues are, or who are wise enough to understand what goodbyes are. This is not for some little kids or teenagers who don't know, because they have not experienced certain things in life that they know about things which I'm talking about. This video is to talk to people who have reached a certain maturity in their life, that they understand all these concepts of love, of going, of goodbye, of how to heal from it, or how to move on. So when it is time to let go, when it is hurting you, when you have forgotten the sense of who you are, then let it go. There's no amount of love is worth it to see yourself cry every day, to see yourself beg every day, to see yourself yell every day, to see yourself in a constant state of मतलब constant state of lingering. मतलब that is आप एक ही जगह पे stuck हो, stagnation में हो. There is no progress in you. Okay, I'm not telling that relationships won't come with a up or down. Yeah, they surely will come with certain sort of ups and certain sort of down. Certain days won't be good, certain days won't be bad. But at least when you see a cumulative thing, मतलब अगर आप total देखो तो total में से अगर अपन total लेते हैं 500, okay, we can expect 50 days were not good or 100 days were not good, but 400 were good. Then that is good, because every relation will have ups and downs. But if you are with somebody and out of 500 days 400 were bad and 100 were only good, because वो नहीं होते वो highs and lows का high आया, that's it. That is not consistent. That is a slow poison that you are giving to yourself. And I also have met people, and I have also have sort of been in that place where you are not able to let go of that person because you have a fear of losing. You think like, let's hold on a little longer, let's hold on a little longer, because if we let it go, what if we don't find somebody else, what if we don't get the same feelings for somebody else, what if this, what if that, what if, मतलब what if. But what if तो आप वैसे भी कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. You cannot control anything in your life. What is destined will happen. What God has already wrote for you will happen. At this moment, if you are suffering constantly, I'm not telling चलो एक दिन की लड़ाई is okay, 2 दिन की लड़ाई is okay. If it is something which is amendable, जो ठीक हो सके, then it is fine to fight for. But you are constantly fighting, juggling, and you see no progress. You see no progress, you see no effort. Matlab, the efforts are not working, then it is time to let go. Because you cannot stay in a constant state of lingering, because if you're choosing a partner and they don't know how to fix it for you, then what kind of a partner you are choosing? Are you choosing a constant state of sadness for the rest of your life? And that is nothing more than slow poison for your own self. So the wise thing is to let it go. And hence goodbyes are good when they are well thought of. जब no effort is making sense, no amount of your speaking is making sense, no amount of your actions are making sense, and no amount of you being in pain is changing the other person, then please get out of it. Because mind you, the person who will love you from their whole heart can never see you in pain. Never ever. Never ever. A person who actually loves you can never ever, they will get feared from the thought of you being in pain. आप पेन में हो वो तो बहुत दूर की बात है. A person who actually loves you, a person who actually thinks you are theirs or you are their part, their heart will come out when they see you in pain. And nobody can justify that somebody is being constantly treating you badly, constantly treating you in a wrong way, and constantly making you go through things which you don't deserve to go through, and you say they love you. No, no, no. That isn't love. Love needs to be, how can I define love? For me, agar if you ask me, because this story time is mine, so obviously I'm going to give you my point of view. So from my point of view, Uh, love is something, love is a feeling. Like, let me tell you, गर्मी में, बहुत गर्मी में, योर थ्रोट इज चोकिंग ऑफ वाटर, मतलब प्यास लग रही है, इतनी थर्स्ट, इतनी थर्स्ट, इतनी थर्स्ट, एंड देन यू गेट ठंडा पानी. Just imagine these feelings. Just imagine for just 1 minute. Keep imagining what I'm telling you. Just imagine. ठंड में धूप में बैठना, वो जो सुबह की नॉर्मल वेरी क्यूट धूप होती है, जो उसमें बैठना, ठंड में चाय मिलना, बहुत ठंड लगने पर शॉल मिलना, कम्बल मिलना, बहुत गर्मी लगने पर एसी में बैठ जाना, या कूलर के जस्ट सामने बैठना, या पंखे के जस्ट सामने बैठ के आ करना, एंड दैट द पंखा रिवर्बरेट्स योर वॉइस. लेट मी टेल यू, पजल का जो लास्ट पीस होता है, और जब वो लग जाना या मिल जाना, when you have done all the questions right in your exam and you have got 80 on 80, and I cannot tell you, there are multiple feelings like these. ये जो होते हैं ना, sense of contentment वाली feeling, love is that. And when you don't feel these senses or these feelings with somebody in a long run, then that is not the one for you. No. Because the right one for you will be a mix of these feelings, जहाँ पे वो नहीं लगता life is fulfilled. Life is actually fulfilled. You wash your hairs and your hair are hairing. My best hair wash. Sense those feelings. ठंड में दिन की नींद. Best sense of feeling your favorite food in front of you and you are eating it and you are enjoying it. Favorite feeling. The morning sunrise or sunset, the beauty of sunrise and sunset. These are metaphors. But love has to be like that. Love should be a feeling that is like, that should be so happy and so contented for you that you feel like a little baby in its arm. You cannot be lingering for the rest of your life just saying that, okay, I'm in love with this person, or I want to be with this person, or this or that, or anything. You cannot defend it for the rest of your life. You are, see, there is this line I studied, or I got to read on Instagram, which said, if the person you are in love with feels like a war to you, then you should remember that wars never end in peace. Never. Never. In fact, wars end in destruction, be it for the winner or the loser. Wars only bring destruction. And so, if the love you are in or the person you are with feels like a constant war to you, that means it won't end in peace. It cannot be a constant war. I'm not telling idealize everything कि एक भी दिन लड़ाई ना हो. I'm not telling कि idealize everything कि एक भी दिन आप sad ना हो, एक भी दिन आपके lows ना हो, एक भी दिन ऐसा ना हो कि you all are having different point of views. No. बट ऐसा ना हो कि एक ही दिन, एक आधी दिन हो जहाँ आप ओके हो, एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द डेज आर जस्ट फाइटिंग 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 फाइटिंग. नो, दैट इज मेंटली ड्रेनिंग. मतलब सुन के ड्रेनिंग लगता है, तो इमेजिन समबडी गोइंग थ्रू इट. Imagine. I have very close people and I have seen them go through that. Very, very close people. And I have seen them go through that. And it breaks my heart seeing them in that situation. Now imagine somebody being in that situation. And still they don't give up. Why? Because they have a fear of saying goodbye. There's the fear of the thought of losing that person who you think, who you have idolized, and you have idolized their potential, not the actual human. The actual human is not doing any actions to get you into their life. They are not putting in the efforts, they are not putting in the thing which is actually required to make this work. But still, you keep on idolizing their potential. And one more thing, take that from me. You might think I'm just 23 and I'm too young to give all that stuff to you. But no, I've been through a lot and I know a lot, so I can tell you. मतलब, don't settle for less. If you know दिस इज योर स्टैंडर्ड, मतलब आप एक लाइफ के एक पॉइंट पे 25 तक पहुंचते हो. Till you reach 25, you know yourself very well. You know what you actually deserve. You know what you are capable of. And when you know what you deserve, never settle for less. Never. Because that will be a constant regret for the rest of your life. And you cannot live an entire life with regret. You cannot be dead when death finds you already. You have to be alive when death finds you. This is another quote, the best quote which I have read on Instagram. It's like when death finds you, at least you should be alive, not already dead because you haven't lived an entire lifetime, because you were chasing the wrong person, because you were. There were so many wrong decisions. And so we are in a generation where we have to be very conscious because we are too exposed to things. We are too exposed and we are too in that position that we might fall prey to things. We might fall into things which we actually are not meant to. We might say yes to the partner which we don't deserve and which they don't deserve actually, because you deserve a lot more. You don't deserve a constant battle. You don't deserve a constant begging. You don't deserve constant crying. You don't deserve constant yelling. You don't deserve constantly telling somebody what you want, because a person who actually loves you will automatically give you what you deserve and what you want. They'll understand you. It will be like two people merging into one another to feel one. That is love. I'm not just telling one has to do, both will merge together in a way that it doesn't even feel like a struggle. It doesn't even feel like कि एक अलग से effort करना पड़ रहा है to be with this person. No, the effort will be so effortless that it will be like two souls coming into one. That is love. Surely there will be days where it will be up, there where it will be down, where it will be literally like bizarre. You won't feel standing to that person. You won't feel like being with that person. But वो बहुत short span के लिए होगा. जैसे ही वो thought आएगा ना, the thought will strike in your mind. No, this is the person I love, and that's the best decision. Goodbyes are good if they bring peace to you. No amount of love is worth enough to cost your peace constantly. No, no. You have to have the courage to let it go, because if you don't let it go, you will never allow the space for somebody else to come in and somebody else to secondary. You'll never give yourself that space to heal yourself. You have to give a space to yourself to heal first things first, and then you have to give the space for somebody else to walk in to make it like the best for you. So this I had to talk because I have seen for recent days, the passing days which are passed by. I've seen a very close friend of mine. She's going through a terrible relationship, and same copy pasted. I have already explained it, but I thought I have to speak it to you as well, because I don't know who is going through what and who needs to hear this. But even if my speaking heals one person or just gives a click in their head, my job is done. My purpose is served. Okay, fine. YouTube is one thing we have to do. Okay, I'm trying a shot on it, everything. But these feelings are very real. I just want to share it to you because I don't know who needs it. And you don't know in life who you can inspire, who आपके वर्ड्स हो सकता है किसी के लिए ब्रेक थ्रू हो जाए लाइफ में, अच्छे और बुरे दोनों. वो इतना बुरा भी नहीं बोल देना कि किसी के लिए ब्रेक थ्रू हो जाए, कि somebody shatters their dream because of you. और मतलब हो सकता है आप इतना अच्छा भी बोल दो कि किसी की लाइफ का ब्रेक थ्रू हो जाए आपका वर्ड. Somebody's life changes because of your words, because of your presence. So that's why I'm sharing that to you. I don't know who needs it, because I don't know who needs it. Seriously, I don't. But even if one person gets healed because of my words, my purpose is served as a human, not YouTube, as a human. Okay. So this was my time with you, my story time with you. And hence, let me conclude it to you. Goodbyes are good if they bring peace to you, but they should be well thought. You should not just leave somebody, because you should have a calculated approach कि ऐसा ना हो आप ही गलत हो. ऐसा ना हो कि you are thinking you are the victim, but you are only the person who is a wrong person to somebody else. You should be wise enough to know when you are wrong and when you are right. Letting go demands courage, and courage demands clarity. You cannot be courageous and say, okay, I'll murder this person, I'm courageous. No, that is not courage. That is not courage. That is psycho. So courage demands clarity. Courage demands you should know what is right, what is wrong. Courage demands कि आप सब कुछ सही तरीके से देख पाओ. And when you see it through the right view, and when you know that you are right, goodbyes are very good. Goodbyes are good if they actually bring peace to you. But they should be well thought of. So bye my Dilulus. Your Sululu is going now, and I'll come with a new story time with you soon, and I'll try to be very 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 consistent with you. And if I'm not consistent in case, तो थोड़ा रुक जाना, जिस भी दिन वीडियो है उस दिन देख लेना. thank you for thank you for loving me, and please like my videos, comment on my channel, subscribe my channel, and everything. And just last quote which I want to tell you, which is a very close quote to myself. What you are not changing is what you are choosing. So choose wisely. Bye, guys. Take care of yourself.